Hello, I'm Dr. M. Sai Roshni, completed my MD Medicine from Europe. So now basically what we were talking was what is DMIT, how is it conducted, why is it important, and the other aspects of it. So now when you have the report in your hand, and then you would ask what now. So for instance, you have the DMIT, you know what your strengths are, your weaknesses, your multiple intelligence questions which you have. Now comes into force that what to do next, what to do in order to overcome your weaknesses, or how to strengthen your average strengths. So in order to work on that, we have a workshop which is a 10-day workshop in which the pineal gland activation happens. So what usually happens is, and on top of that, to add it on, this is most effective, I would say. This is most effective in the age group aging between 6 years to 16 years. Why I would say it is most effective? Because the activation, while the pineal gland is activated, it can be readily it can be observed in the child, whereas in the age group aging above 16 to 18 years of age, even the pineal gland is activated for them as well, but there is no substantial proof to decide whether it got activated or not. For instance, a child aging between 6 to 16 years of age, if the pineal gland is activated, pineal gland, which is also known as the seat of the soul, it secretes much of the important hormones like melatonin, which decides the sleep-wake pattern, So what usually happens when the pineal gland is activated for a child aging 6 to 16 is the child would be able to see and perceive things without looking as in person. Means the child, if for example he closes his eyes or he gets blindfolded with a cloth, he or she can perceive and can recognize colors, can recognize things or the person standing right in front of them. So that is a substantial proof or a symptom, you can call it as, that the pineal gland has got activated. Well, as in adults, if you say, what happens is, for example, if you want to see the symptoms in adults, what usually happens is, that has come true for me as well. So what usually happens when the adult's pineal gland is activated, major of the time it happens that a person sleeps, but he or she is not rejuvenated as enough to term themselves okay, we have rested enough. So while the pineal gland is activated in adults, what usually happens, you get that sleep, you get that perfect sleep, or what you call it as the rejuvenating sleep, which makes you feel refreshed. So scientifically, if you talk about it, it is more about like rotational eye movements and non-rotational eye movements are there while you are in the sleep-wake cycle. So while you are in a non-rotational eye movement, that is when you go in the deep sleep, and that is when you get dreams and all. So that when you have that time period, for example, that time period, if you have enough in your sleep-wake cycle, that makes you feel refreshed. Whereas when you are in the rotational eye movement sleep, and even if you do that for 1-2 hours, that will not be considered as, for instance, if I speak, people say that we take power nap of 12 minutes and we feel rejuvenated. People usually of that kind sleep, like they get into the non-rotational eye movements as in very quick, and that is the reason they feel rejuvenated. Basically what happens while the pineal gland in adults is activated, that your non-rotational eye movements and rotational eye movement sleep-wake cycle which is there, that usually is improved. So for instance, while I did this course and the pineal gland activation, my sleep-wake wake cycle was really, I mean, it was just enough. Like, for instance, I'm sleeping, I'm tired for the day, and I'm sleeping exactly, need not to have an alarm clock or anything as such. And it used to be like, the 6 hour sleep is more than sufficient. I mean, that is it. So that shows that the pineal gland has got activated. But as in when you see in children you see that they can do blindfolds, the reading capability which they have, they can do 200 words per minute, which is like quite quick. And then when this is the basic level, so these are just the symptoms that your pineal gland got activated. Now with the activation of pineal gland, you can do much more things, like, with like the advanced people who have done the advanced courses, and the ones who are in regular practice of pineal gland activation course and all, they can just read the book blindfoldedly as well. Even if the eyes are open or the blindfolded one, they can just read the books and get the gist of it, and can read the books and remember. You must have heard many of them remembering the book with its page numbers. So that is when pineal gland gets activated. So you can read books blindfoldedly, or else even if you open a book and read, you can read it quite quickly within like 200 minutes per 200 words per minute, which you can do. So all these things adds upon to your personal caliber and your personality as well. So I would really suggest everyone that, for instance, for adults, if you say, many a times it happens that you do a day long work and still you feel tired, and even after getting up you feel quite tired. So why is it that? So if you do, for instance, this pineal gland activation, it is going to happen that your sleep patterns are going to improve, because pineal gland, the hormone which it secretes is melatonin, and melatonin is the work of it, the function of it is to maintain the sleep wake cycle pattern. So this will definitely help as in adults. Whereas there are many courses, like there are many things like neuro-linguistic programming, there's brain engineering, which I would say. So in that you can read a book in, like, for instance, if I'm reading a book for in 1.5 hours or 2 hours, I would rather take just half an hour to complete the book and get a gist of it and summarize it. Or sometimes when you get on to advanced, when you're doing it, when you're practicing it regularly, it might happen that you remember the book with its page number word to word. So this can be real wonders to your child as well as to yourself. So I would rather say in one word that pineal gland activation for children is wonders, and for adults it is to improve the quality of life and to better. I would rather say that pineal gland activation for children would be wonders and would be the best gift you can ever give to your child. And for yourself, if you're doing the pineal gland activation for yourself or for the adults, that would improve the sleep pattern, so that will eventually improve and improve the lifestyle and improve the way you are living, and you will lead a quality life. So it improves the lifestyle. So as a doctor, I would really suggest to go and firstly have the SWOT analysis of yourself, so that once you are done with the DMIT, that is dermatoglyphics intelligence test, wherein you give your 30 fingerprints, ridges, the biometrics of you. According to that, the analysis, the personalized analysis of your finger ridges are done, through which you come to know about your strengths, weaknesses, your innate personalities, your inborn qualities, and your strengths, your IQ quotients, your EQ, your AQs, CQs. And then after knowing your strengths and weaknesses, you can later go for the workshop which is there, which helps to activate the pineal gland, which helps in regulating for the children. The pineal gland activation which is there helps to recognize and perceive things even in blindfolded manner. And for the adults, it is useful to improve the sleep pattern. It also helps to improve your sixth sense, which you call it as. So the sixth sense really improves with that. So I would really suggest as a doctor that for your children, it would be very helpful and it would be wonders and the best gift you can ever give it to your child to activate, to go for the DMIT, to activate your pineal gland. And for yours, for the adults who are seeing this video, I would suggest you could also go for the activation with your children, because so as to improve your life for the better quality of life and to lead a good lifestyle. Thank you so much.